asked me just one question. Is it really safe to get your teeth done in Turkey? And honestly, it's a fair question. So let me give you an honest answer for it. There are lots of horror stories online, and yes, some of them are true. But it's related to choosing the wrong clinic, not the wrong country. So there are some certain points you need to consider before deciding which clinic you would like to choose for your dental treatment. You need to find a clinic with genuine before and after photos of the patients and real patient reviews, and also the clear communication with the proper consultation. We have been treating patients in Antalya over 30 years. All of our dentists and surgeons are educated, and we are using advanced technology in the clinic. So, is it safe to get your teeth done in our clinic? Absolutely yes. You can drop your question to our WhatsApp numbers. You can reach out to us on our links of our pages, so we will be here to answer any of your questions.